welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Saving Salvage. Right, the first thing I'm going to say is today's video is the first video I'm taking on a new camera. I've finally bought a dedicated camera instead of using my iPhone, so it might take me a few videos to get used to like the audio levels, because I knew it took me a few videos when I first started using my phone. So apologies if the audio is a bit all over the place. Obviously I will sort that out when I get used to it. So, bit of a cock up to start with. I did take a video yesterday. I did a how-to on how to polish cloudy, misty headlights on the S3. But I have, whilst I took the SD card out of the camera to take home, then upload onto the laptop, I managed to misplace the SD card. So all the footage I took yesterday, I have lost. So I will just show you quickly what I've done. Obviously, if the SD card does turn up at some point, I will then upload that video footage. But unfortunately, I can't unpolish the headlights. So I'll just show you what I've done, just so you can see. I do prefer to film inside today because it is rather windy, so I don't know how that's going to come across on the camera. But as you can see here, look, beautifully polished headlights, pretty much look brand new. Come out really well. I will just put a quick couple of photos up just to show what they were actually like before. But as you can see, it completely transforms the front end of the car. It literally makes it look 10 years younger. But yeah, I'll put a few pictures up of what it looked like before, just to give you an idea. And if I do find the SD card, I will upload the how-to and how I did it basically. A little bit of an update on the RS3 as well. Here's the door. The door is all painted. As you can see, it's not back together yet because I'm waiting for a few parts from Audi. There's a few parts in the lock that broke, and a window trim I'm waiting for because it was all bent and twisted anyway. So they're on back order, which is why we haven't seen anything from the RS3 for a couple of days. But once they arrive, I can put that door back together, and as you can see, I'm just in the process. Yeah, it looks pretty good. That bit does anyway. I haven't finished cutting the rest of it, as you can see there, but this bit's good. I'm waiting for some more polish to come as well. So that looks decent, look. So, door is painted, just need to finish cutting it and that'll be done, and then we'll be back on the RS3. But for today's video, ignore them, but for today's video, we will be on the S3. We'll be getting it in the air, looking underneath it, seeing if there's anything actually wrong with it. If there isn't, we'll ship it off, send it to MOT and see if it passes. And if it passes, job done. That was a really easy fix, really easy build, and then it can go on to the new owner. So let's get the S3 into the workshop and onto the ramp. Couple of other things I forgot to mention as well. In that how-to video, I did also fit the battery, a new battery. Don't know if I mentioned it on the video, but obviously the battery on this was absolutely knackered. I just ordered a like-for-like battery, the exact same one that was on it before, but obviously brand new, 4-year warranty, so that's all installed. So the battery is now all fine. I've just got to order a couple of clips because the clips were missing. But that is done, and also bit of a bonus, when I got into the boot, opened the boot up, oh no, open the boot and look what you have. 2 brand new Bosch brake discs for the front. So this car gets even better and better. So, I mean, we've already got our front discs, so all we actually hopefully need is rear disc and pads and front pads. Right, here we go, the underneath of the S3. It's pretty much what I expected. It looks okay, it's just everything's very rusty. As you can see here, look, it's not too bad. Obviously it looks worse than it is. It's just surface rust from where obviously it's been sat for so long. It's not horrendous, a lot of cobwebs, but everything looks like bushes look okay. They don't look perished. There is a CV boot this side that we're going to have to do. Look, you can see it's split there, so we're going to have to do a CV boot, but we'll obviously do that while we're doing the brakes. No oil leaks, can't see anything. Tyres, as we're saying, look, just brand new. I mean, you can still see the stripes, look, from when they were brand new, so. You can see that again, look. But it looks like, even, to be fair, even the auxiliary belt, look, it's not even perished. It looks spot on. So it's good, it's just rusty, as I fully expected it to be. I mean, a car that's been sat for so long, it's going to be rusty, isn't it? It just needs a good drive just to loosen everything up again. But there's no perished boots or anything like that. All the bottom ball joint, all the rubber boots are all fine. Even the exhaust is actually in remarkably good condition. Like the plate, this heat shield is all intact. It's not broken off or anything. The exhaust is actually in rather good condition. Clamps not perished. It's actually really good condition. Look, all the exhaust. Again, on the rear axle, it's just rusty. I mean, I think it's got lowering springs on it because I'm pretty sure they're not standard. It does sit a little bit low as well, so I'm pretty sure it's got lowering springs on. And it's got a tow bar, detachable tow bar, look, which I didn't know. I don't know where the actual pin is. I don't think I've got it. I don't think it's in the boot. So it's an option, but I don't think it's got the actual tow bar pin. But no, it looks good. Back box, I mean, the exhaust is actually probably the best, weirdly, the best part of it. I mean, it's a bit rusty here, look, but again, it's only surface rust. It's not the end of the world. All like tank straps, all like the main things are all intact. Heat shields are all intact. Everything's all intact, apart from this self-leveling sensor for the Xenons. That has broken off, so I will have to look at getting that replaced. So we'll bring it down to midway, and we'll just check the coil springs on the front. Make sure they're not broken, but the underneath, it looks good. So just put it down to midway point, so we can, oh my God. What the hell's living in there? I hate spiders, so I'm not even going to put my hand anywhere near there. Oh, that looks horrendous. If the coil spring is broken, it can stay broken. I ain't going anywhere near that. That's horrible. Yeah, that looks good. Nothing to see this side. So we know obviously the discs are knackered, so we're going to do a full brake change anyway. Oh my God, it's just as bad this side. What the hell? I mean, they look alright, they don't look broken. I ain't going to get too close, but they look okay, they don't look broken. So that'll do me. So just checking over our lights now, and remarkably they all work, bar a slight electrical fault. So rear number plate, bulbs both work. I can't believe they work. Rear fog light works, side light. The issue you may see is the left indicator's on and the right one is not. Believe it or not, if you can see through the back window, the hazard switch is on. So the right indicators appear not to be working. However, when I turned the hazards off and used the right indicator, they all worked. So safely say we need a new hazard switch. But the rear lights work. That works. You can see our xenon lights actually work as well, look. And both fog lights. I have no idea how all these still work, but xenon lights work, side light works, indicator, fog light, again, xenon, side light, fog light, indicator doesn't work. But if we just turn the hazards off and put the right indicator on, you can see they do work. Albeit that one's a bit white, so that will need changing for a new bulb. So we're going to order a new hazard switch as well, which should be fairly easy to do. Let's just check full beam. Yep, full beam works as well. So full house on the lights, no idea how. I think brake lights did work actually, because I remember seeing a video when I took the other day and I drove in, I saw the brake lights are all working, so that's cool. And what else we got? Annoyingly, we will have to get the windscreen changed actually before it goes to MOT, because there is a nice long crack in it. Typical for me. Every car I buy needs a new windscreen. This is no exception. So what else do we need for MOT? Wipers. One of the wipers was missing, I didn't notice. You can see here, look. One of the wipers has just been nicked. So we'll do a new set of wipers. It will probably need wipers anyway. What I will do, check quickly, is if the washers work. And I dread to think the smell that's going to come out of these. Nothing, they're empty anyway. Well, the windscreen wipers work, so hopefully that means it's empty. Hopefully it means there's not a hole in it. We'll put some, I'll just put that, oh, I really don't want to put that down. I don't want to, oh, we need a new windscreen anyway, don't matter. Right, let's put some washer fluid in to see if that is the issue. Give that a squirt. And the washer jets both perfectly work as well. And they're actually aligned quite well as well. This car is sweet. Right, so what else do we have left in this pre-MOT check? It's just everything. Right, all the lights work. I used to be an MOT tester, by the way. It was many years ago. There you go, look. Used to be an MOT tester back in the day. But this was 7-8 years ago, and I'm just trying to, obviously legislation has also changed a lot since then, but I'm just trying to remember what else I got to check for. It's pretty much it. So just a bit of a recap while I'm trying to rack my brains what else we need to check. So underneath, we need to replace the brakes all round. We need to replace the offside front CV boot. The near side rear xenon level sensor. That is it for underneath, and it should pass, unless there's obviously any play in any joints or boots that I can't tell from just looking. But other than that, it should be fine underneath. And when it's on the floor, the front springs looked okay. Hopefully the MOT tester's scared of spiders as well, so he won't go in too near those. But on the floor, all the lights work, except the hazard switch. I mean, you do need your hazard lights working for MOT, so we'll have to order a new switch. And that also, washer jets work. So, and a windscreen wipers, pair of windscreen wipers. Oh, horn. Let's check the horn. Bit weak, but it works. That is it. So that's it for today's video, guys. We've gone over the S3, we've had it up in the air, we've looked at what it needs. 6 things I think I counted. So it shouldn't be too bad. The windscreen will cost probably 150 quid. Brakes, although we've already got the front discs, should be no more than sort of 100 quid for those. Level sensor, no idea. Hazard switch, again, shouldn't be more than 10-15 quid. And the CV boot, again, shouldn't be more than sort of 25-30 quid. So hopefully that is all we need to get it through MOT, and then she can go on to her new owner once she's all done and got 12 months MOT. So As always guys, if you do enjoy these videos, please do give it a like and a thumbs up, and also if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And also I have an Instagram channel as well. I keep forgetting to plug it on here, but it's saving_salvage. If you want to head over to there and follow me on there, and basically I just release a few pictures, a few updates in between videos of what I'm getting up to. So as always guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.